Hey everyone, today I want to show you one of my favorite features about TubeBuddy Mobile. Welcome to Shelly Saves the Day. On my channel, I do tech explained simply and video editing made easy. If that's the kind of thing you're interested in, consider subscribing. So if you didn't know, TubeBuddy now has a mobile app for iOS as well as Android. And one of my favorite features about the app is being able to use canned responses, just like on the website. Now, it's a little hidden, and I couldn't find it for a while, and I actually talked to them while I was at VidCon, and I was like, what's the point of having me have a list of canned responses and never letting me access them on the mobile phone? And they were like, you can. And I'm like, what? And they showed me, and now I'm going to show you. So I am going to fire up the mobile app here, and you can download it again in the Play Store, in the iOS, in the App Store. And so the first thing you're going to get when you log in, it's going to do like a live update on your subscriber count, so that's going to be really cool. It's going to have the little trophy here, and you can go and see your channel milestones, so views, subscribers, stuff like that. And if you're on the website and everything else, you can see like the certificates that they have, which are great. Like, I love to put them on Twitter or like just celebrate, because I think it's kind of cool that they do that. So the list that you have here of like canned responses. So I have a whole bunch that I've set up on the website, and you can also set them up here. You can add phrases, and you can, give them nicknames, which is really awesome. So what I didn't know is when you're back in the actual comment section, and I've left a few of these so that we can actually respond back. So you can automatically insert the person that you're responding to name. You can turn that on or off. You can also, under settings, you can look at ones that only have questions. You can hide the comments that you've already responded to. You can like show or hide comments that you've already flagged, which is really cool. So here are some comments that I need to respond to. So if you go into a comment itself, this is where it's tricky. This is where I was having the problems. If you go into a comment, it already, if you're here, it will have their name, and you can start typing in a response. And I was like, how do I hit the canned responses? So I'm pushing here, and I'm like, select. It's like nothing's happening. And so it's actually, when you go back, I'm showing you this so you can see like what I tried to do when I was trying to answer comments. It's not here, which is not intuitive, right? So you actually go back to the list of all of the comments, and then what's going to happen is you press and hold on the comment while it's in the comment list here. You press and hold on it. Then it brings up this list of canned responses, and you can select it. So this one is the Secret Squirrels. And the thing that I like to do is you can start with a canned response, and then you can add in a little bit more. So it's just like saving you some time getting started. So here's one I'm going to go ahead and respond to. So again, you long press down on the comment itself while it's in the main list, and then you select which one based on, the right situation. You're going to select one. Okay, so I said, oh, thank you. And then I'm going to add an additional thing here. I'm so glad you found me. Oh, my videos. And then one thing here, if you hit done, it's going to then ask you up here to hit post. So that's not as intuitive either. So there's two steps, or don't hit done, just hit the post button up in the upper right hand corner. Okay, so these are all of the tips and tricks here. So here's another one. I'm going to select one, and I'm going to say, you're welcome. And then I'm going to just hit green, post comment. See, and how fast was that? Okay. And then, one thing that I do love about the app, it's going to give you all your stats on thumbs up, comments, views on a video. And then so you can have it be for all your videos, private, public, unlisted, any of the videos. So you can kind of like toggle on and off those settings. So you can, like, for me, I have unlisted a whole bunch of my beauty videos, so I don't include those in the view. So I can just look at the ones that are kind of on my main channel now. And so like that's really helpful for me. R. And I'm going to say like a pirate. I don't know. I'm gonna hit OK on that one. Post it. Okay, but you guys get the idea. So I'll go ahead and stop the video there. So I hope that you guys are able to now see how you can respond to comments using your canned responses. I thought that was a really cool tip or trick while I was down there, because I didn't know how to use it. So I'm hoping maybe someone out there didn't know how to use it too, and I wasn't the only one. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Would love to have you be part of the fam. I will see you guys in a video very soon. Thanks guys, bye!